Sometimes your data pipelines need to run in a specific order. That is exactly what the Orchestration Builder plugin in Pelican is for. You arrange your pipelines in a graph. Each one waits for its dependencies, and the whole thing runs on a daily schedule.
Let's see how we can do that.
From the menu on the left, you can add any of the data apps available in your Pelican account. Let me add a few to show you how it works. Whenever I add an app, a new block is added to the Orchestration Builder. You can link these blocks together by defining which block should run after another. Let me build a sample workflow to show how it works. Now we have several apps connected together, creating a complete orchestration flow. Once the workflow is ready, we can give it a name and save it. The orchestration is now saved, and you can see it in the list. From here, you can load an existing orchestration or delete one you no longer need. Once it's loaded, we have all our data apps lined up in the order we want them to run. We can simply click Run Orchestration. The orchestration will then automatically execute each data app based on the dependencies we've defined. You can also monitor the execution through the run logs, where you can see the status of each step and identify any failures. You can also schedule it to run automatically. Just click Schedule, choose the required schedule, and Pelican creates a scheduled data app that will run the orchestration automatically. With Pelican Orchestration Builder, you can run, schedule, and manage data workflows without writing any code. Try it at pelican.io.